The legend is back, and it's faster, smarter, and meaner than ever. The 2025 BMW M3 doesn't just carry the weight of its badge, it wears it like armor. In a world full of electric silence and digital emotion, this beast roars louder, drives harder, and reminds everyone why BMW's motorsport division still matters. This isn't just a car review. This is a verdict on a performance icon. This is the 2025 BMW M3, and you're watching Auto Verdict. The 2025 BMW M3 may not have changed drastically on the outside, but the details make a big difference. Up front, the controversial kidney grille remains, but it's been slightly refined, less in your face, more sculpted aggression. Flanking it are new matrix LED headlights with sharper DRLs and integrated cornering beams. The bumper is redesigned with better airflow, not just for looks but for cooling the new upgrades under the hood. The side profile is pure M3, flared arches, aggressive sills, and those signature M mirrors. You still get that beautiful long hood, short deck ratio, a classic sign of BMW sports sedans. Around the back, quad exhausts poke out from a more aggressive diffuser, and the LED taillights are slimmer than ever, now with dynamic animations when locking or unlocking the car. The color palette is insane: frozen Portimo blue, Isle of Man green, and a new stealth gray that looks like it's been dipped in pure gunmetal. It's lower, meaner, and even more aerodynamic. Every vent has a job. Every line is cut for purpose. BMW didn't just design this car, they engineered it for dominance. The 2025 BMW M3, and it's a whole new cockpit. Gone are the analog dials, in comes BMW's curved display, two huge screens under a single piece of glass, running iDrive 9. The resolution is razor-sharp, the animations are fluid, and yes, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. The interior is bathed in a mix of Alcantara, carbon fiber, and optional merino leather. M stripes subtly stitched into the seatbelts remind you this isn't just any 3 Series. The steering wheel is thick and meaty, still one of the best in the game. Shift paddles are made from forged carbon. And those M carbon bucket seats? Brutal on your back but worth every spine-jarring second for the support and racing feel they offer. Ambient lighting runs across the dashboard and door panels. You can choose from 15 colors, or let the system choose based on drive mode. It's luxury meets motorsport, with zero apologies. But none of this matters if it doesn't drive like an M3 should.